You guys, this is the kind of damage you can expect if one of these guys hits your car.
I'm just trying to find something that's
Okay, guys, quick update on the wife's journey after the accident. It's been 2 weeks since the accident. We've only just got back the estimate from the body shop, and the insurance company is going to do the repair to the vehicle. Now, here's the thing. There's $9,586 worth of damage to that car, and the car, that SUV, is only worth $12,000. So that puts it at like 80% damage to the vehicle, and they're still going to do the repair. Okay guys, just got word from the body shop. The vehicle is in the lineup to get repaired, but it's gonna be 27 days. So that'll put us at about 6 weeks from the time of the accident till we get the vehicle back. Crazy, huh? Alright guys, the vehicle's back from the body shop. What is it? September 19th, and the accident happened on the 9th of August. Okay, now before we do the walk around, I want to show you something on the repair sheet. We got the full repair sheet here. Okay, so there's some codes on here people may or may not understand. OEM, that's original manufacturer's parts. AM, aftermarket parts. Okay, but what is a LKQ? LKQ are salvage parts. Parts of the same condition, presumably off of a wrecked vehicle that they insurance company is purchasing to repair your vehicle. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Now have a look at what they did and what they didn't do. All right, quick look at what they did and didn't do. Blended into the top of this fender. I think they had to fix a little mark on it before they did that. Great job. This is a salvage hood. Excellent condition compared to the hood that was on it. Even before the accident, there was a big stone impact here that I'd planned to repair and never did. So this hood is actually a really good salvage hood. It has a little spot there, but it doesn't stand out, especially when it's dirty. New headlamp, as you can see. They repaired the corner of this bumper cover, blended it, cleared it. Great job. New fender, and did a good job on it. A salvage front door. They did a nice job of cleaning it up and repainting it. Back door, not quite so good. They did attempt to, I think, repair the top here, and I hope you guys can see there's like a spot right here, and I can even feel it with my finger. It's so deep, where it appears they did a repair here, and then like they kind of quit with the sander, and the painter guy, he just painted right over it. And this is work done by a certified trained professional, guys. Pretty sad, isn't it? Now I realize the vehicle should only come back in pre-collision appearance, but yeah, not very acceptable. Cleaned up the back here. Great job on that. What they forgot though was they attached the bumper cover on the back, but they forgot to clean it up. All these scratches and scuffs are from the accident, but they did manage to put a new reflector in the back and not touch anything else. Kind of a little bit interesting, but they did repair the door post. There was a dent in the door post because the door buckled in. They fixed that, cleaned that up, but they forgot to put the undercoating plugs back in. And when they cleared this, they stopped here and kind of faded it out. So it is a little dull there, and it's a little dull there. Now, another thing they did do though, is they pulled this quarter glass out so that they actually could do a proper paint job on it, because this seal is part of the quarter glass. So I had to take it out, put a new seal on it when they were done, and put it back in. So good job on that. So overall, did a pretty good job. Paint looks really good. Painter guy did a good job matching the color, did a really good job of clearing out the panels. But hey, it's going back on Monday, get these items touched up, so we'll do one more walk around when it comes back. Alright guys, they only had the vehicle for 3 days. Have one more look at this back door and the bumper cover. They cleaned that all up. That looks really nice. And as you can see, there's no more scuffs on the bumper cover. They even cleaned up scuffs over there that weren't related to anything. Blended it, cleared it. Looks really good. Really happy with the job they did. So as always guys, till the next one, peace.